Good morning, students. Students, I am Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. In the previous class, we have done the chapter The Adventures of Toto. Now we are doing the chapter The Fun They Had, chapter number 1, and it is from the book Beehive. Okay. We are starting with the introduction of author. See, generally, we directly start the chapter, but I think we should know a little bit about the author also. So the author introduction is like the author of the chapter The Fun They Had was Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was born on January 2, 1920 in Russia. The author Isaac Asimov was known for writing books on astronomy, biology, mathematics, religion and literary biography. Okay. He won several awards also, just like Nebula Award, Hugo Awards. These awards, Nebula and Hugo, these awards are generally given for the literature purpose. Who writes on the topics such as the books which can turn out to be a reference book, like maths, biology. Obviously, we are not writing. I cannot write the biology book, but I can write the reference book. If I have the knowledge of biology, I can write the reference book. I can convert the knowledge language. Okay, just as this Isaac Asimov, the author, is known for. That's why he was awarded with the awards like Nebula and Hugo. Okay, now come to the point, the theme of the story. What is the theme of the story? First, we'll go through the points. This chapter, The Fun They Had. This chapter states about the it gathers the information and unfolds the picture of future school. Future school means what? The schools this sentence unfolds the picture of future schools comparatively to our present school. Okay, where mechanical teacher. Now, what is mechanical teacher? I'll tell you. Mechanical teacher will teach the students and books will be meaningless. Okay, means in future, picture of future schools will be shown in this with the help of this chapter. Okay, what like mechanical teacher means? Mechanical means machine. So machine teacher means like we can say robot. So robot will teach the students and books will be meaningless. There will be no need of keeping the books. They will simply be the hard copies to be kept in the libraries. Okay, so the books will be meaningless. Actually, the students will learn from the e-books. They will learn from the e-books. Just as, for example, you have just received in your group, in the WhatsApp group, or nowadays the CBSE also has launched an app we can say a website or a portal through which we can download the soft links of the books. So that is the e-books. Okay, and the class test will be conducted online. See, this chapter is showing the image of future schools. So I think we should link the time of future schools with the time this pandemic spread, this COVID-19 is going on. So you see, we are conversating, we are getting the classes. You, the students, are getting the classes through the online. So might be possible that we may conduct the tests online. Okay, you are getting the books, e-books. Okay, now since this time is going on, okay, like future schools, it's about future schools. So internet will grow very fast, and internet will have wide applications like suppose from the school end you are getting some webinar calls. Okay, like in a big corporate offices, they conduct the meetings on Zoom app, GeoMeet app, just like. So day by day, as the demands will increase, so internet will it will produce wide range of applications with many features. Okay, like subjects like history and geography will be no more difficult for the students. Why it is said? Because if these conditions arises in future, the books will be e-books and online studies, and internet provides the wide range of applications with fulfilled features, the required features. Okay, so geography and history will no more be difficult for the students. Why? Because in case if internet provides wide ranges, then obviously the programmers will put or they write the programming through which the geography and history can be learned from in a 3D way. We can go to the past and just in imaginary way we can learn, so it will not be difficult. This future school will be quite different from our present school and the old school. Obviously, if we are going to understand the concepts of history geography, which is very difficult to understand, and in a easy way, if we get the knowledge of history and geography in the present school comparatively from the present school, the future school will be much more better. Okay, so this was the theme of the story. What we are going to study in the next class is the theme of the story states that. So definitely when you will go through this chapter, it will indicate clearly why the chapter's name is The Fun They Had. Okay, so that's all for this class.